What if I told you that in just 14 days you could look in the mirror and see your belly flatter, tighter and more toned without changing a single thing about your diet? No calorie counting, no starving, no expensive supplements. I'm living proof that it's possible, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. Stick around because I'll share the 10 exact exercises that helped me transform my belly in just 2 weeks, and at the end I'll reveal the one secret that doubled my fat burning without dieting. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you can keep receiving our upcoming useful videos. For years I battled stubborn belly fat. I tried cutting carbs, skipping meals, and even fasting for hours, and every time I ended up frustrated, tired, and heavier than before. It felt like a never-ending cycle: diet, lose a little weight, quit, gain it all back. Then one day I decided to stop dieting altogether. I asked myself, what if I focus on moving my body in a way that actually works without punishing myself with strict rules? That's when I started this simple 14-day home workout plan. No gym, no fancy equipment, just me, my living room, and a decision to finally change the way I felt about my body. The results? In just 2 weeks my waistline shrunk, my energy shot up, and for the first time I felt confident without being hungry or stressed. And here's the best part: anyone can do it. No matter your age, your fitness level, or your busy schedule, these moves are designed to fit into your life. So get ready, because I'm about to break down 10 powerful exercises that you'll do daily. Each one targets your belly area, activates your fat-burning engine, and strengthens your core, all while being fun and easy enough to stick with. By the end of this video you'll have the exact 14-day blueprint I used and a bonus tip that made my results even faster. Exercise 1. Squat twist. Squat twist is a powerful movement that targets your core, obliques, glutes, and legs all at once. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower down into a squat, keeping your chest up and your knees behind your toes. As you rise back up, twist your torso to the right while driving your left elbow across your body, then return to center and repeat to the left side. This twisting motion activates your oblique muscles, which are key for tightening your waistline and burning fat around the love handle area. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat for 3 rounds. As you get stronger, increase the twist intensity by holding a light weight or water bottle. The reason this works so well is that it's a compound move. It burns more calories than standard crunches and engages multiple muscles at once. This means more fat burned, faster metabolism, and a toned midsection. Imagine doing this daily. Your lower body gets firm, your waist starts to carve in, and your posture improves. Squat twists are perfect because they mimic real-life rotational movements, making your core not only look good but also function better. Keep your movements controlled, breathe out during the twist, and always maintain tension in your abs. By day 14 you'll notice your waist feels tighter and your belly less bloated. Exercise 2. Bear crawls. Bear crawls might look simple, but they're one of the most effective full-body fat-burning moves you can do at home. Start in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips, hovering just an inch off the ground. Move your right hand and left foot forward together, then your left hand and right foot. Keep your back flat, core engaged, and steps controlled. This isn't about speed, it's about maintaining tension. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds, repeating for 3 rounds. Bear crawls fire up your entire core, including the deep stabilizing muscles that are hard to hit with traditional ab exercises. They also engage your shoulders, arms, and legs, turning this into a calorie-scorching cardio plus strength move. Why does this help lose belly fat? Because it spikes your heart rate, builds lean muscle, and forces your core to stabilize with every step, burning fat even after you finish. Within 14 days you'll feel your abs getting firmer and your endurance improving. Keep your movements low and quiet, think stealth mode. If you want an extra challenge, move backward for a few steps, then forward again. This single exercise alone, done daily, can make your belly feel tighter and your body more athletic. Exercise 3. Marching glute bridge. The marching glute bridge isn't just for your glutes, it's a secret weapon for lower belly fat reduction. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Now march, lift your right knee toward your chest while keeping hips elevated, then switch to the left. Alternate for 45 seconds, rest for 15, repeat for 3 rounds. This movement activates your core, especially the lower abs, while also strengthening your glutes and hamstrings. The reason this works is because strong glutes and hamstrings support your pelvic tilt and lower back, which helps pull your belly inward over time. Plus, this dynamic marching motion increases calorie burn compared to a standard bridge hold. Focus on keeping your core tight and not letting your hips sag as you march. By day 14 you'll notice improved lower belly definition, tension and a tighter, firmer waistline. Want more intensity? Add a mini resistance band just above your knees. This not only shapes your glutes but also challenges your core to stabilize even harder. Breathe steadily, engage your abs, and keep marching. This is a slow burn that delivers real results. Exercise 4. Plank hold. The plank might look simple, but it's one of the most powerful core stabilizing exercises you can do at home, and it's a game changer for melting belly fat. Begin by placing your forearms on the ground, elbows directly under your shoulders and legs extended behind you. Keep your body straight from head to heels, no sagging hips, no lifted butt. Engage your abs, squeeze your glutes, and keep your gaze slightly ahead of your hands. The magic of the plank lies in the tension. It's an isometric hold that forces your entire core to fire up. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually build up to 1 full minute. To increase intensity, try a side-to-side hip dip or alternate, lifting each leg slightly off the ground. What makes this so effective? It doesn't just work your abs, it strengthens your deep core muscles, shoulders, back, and even your posture, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Remember, the key is consistency. A strong plank every day for 14 days will leave your midsection tighter, your waistline slimmer, and your body feeling more stable. Exercise 5. Push-ups. Push-ups aren't just for your arms and chest, they're a full-body fat-burning powerhouse. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line, no arching your back or dropping your hips. As you lower yourself down, engage your core and breathe in deeply. Push back up with control, exhaling as you rise. Standard push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but here's the secret: they also activate your core and even your lower back muscles, which helps with overall fat loss. For beginners, modify by doing push-ups on your knees. For a challenge, try decline push-ups with your feet elevated. Aim for 10 to 15 reps, rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. This movement not only strengthens your upper body but also revs up your metabolism by engaging large muscle groups, leading to more calorie burn long after the workout ends. Over 14 days, your arms will get toned, your chest firmer, and your belly noticeably tighter. Exercise 6. Skater jumps. Skater jumps are an explosive calorie-torching move that combines cardio with strength and balance. Imagine you're an athlete on the ice, skating powerfully side to side. Start by standing tall, feet hip width apart. Jump to your right, landing softly on your right foot while sweeping your left leg behind you like a skater's glide. Now leap to the left, switching sides. The goal is to move quickly yet with control, keeping your chest up and core tight. This exercise does more than just elevate your heart rate, it fires up your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and even your core. The side-to-side motion engages stabilizing muscles that regular forward lunges or jumps don't, which means you're burning more calories and building better agility. Start with 30 seconds of skater jumps, then rest for 15 seconds and repeat for 3 rounds. To maximize belly fat burn, swing your arms with each jump. This not only helps with momentum but also adds an upper body element to the move. Keep your movements light and springy, like you're floating over the ground. Over time, you'll notice your legs becoming leaner, your midsection tighter, and your endurance soaring. Think of skater jumps as your secret weapon. They combine cardio, balance, and fat-burning power in one simple movement that feels fun, almost like dancing, but works like a fat-blasting machine. Exercise 7. Leg raises. Leg raises target one of the toughest areas for many people, the lower belly. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and hands by your sides. Slowly lift your legs toward the ceiling, keeping them as straight as possible without bending your knees. Pause when your feet are directly above your hips, then lower them down slowly, but don't let them touch the floor. That controlled motion is where the magic happens. This exercise engages your lower abs, hip flexors, and even your thighs, making it a triple threat for midsection sculpting. If you've been struggling with that stubborn pouch below your belly button, this is the move that directly attacks it. Start with 10 to 12 reps, resting for 20 seconds between sets, and aim for 3 sets. Want to supercharge your results? Place your hands lightly under your glutes for support. Keep your back pressed firmly into the floor and exhale as you lower your legs. This deep core activation maximizes fat burning. Over 2 weeks, you'll feel your core tightening, your lower abs strengthening, and your overall posture improving. Leg raises are a low-impact yet high-return movement. They don't require any equipment, they're beginner-friendly, and they deliver real results when combined with consistency and proper breathing. Each rep is a step closer to that flat-toned midsection you've been dreaming of. Exercise 8. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic twisting core move that targets your upper abs, lower abs, and especially those stubborn obliques, the side muscles that shape your waistline. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head, and lift your knees to a tabletop position. As you exhale, twist your torso to bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg straight. Switch sides in a pedaling motion like you're riding an imaginary bike. The key to making bicycle crunches burn belly fat effectively is slow, controlled movement. Don't rush it. Focus on squeezing your abs with each twist rather than pulling on your neck. Perform 15 to 20 reps per side for 3 sets. What makes this exercise so powerful is its ability to engage multiple muscle groups at once: your rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. This means more calories burned and a more sculpted, defined core. For an added challenge, hold each twist for 1 second before switching sides. This increases time under tension, which is where your abs start firing like crazy. Within 14 days of consistent practice, you'll notice your waistline appearing slimmer and your core feeling tighter even without changing your diet drastically. Exercise 9. Russian twists. Russian twists are a core-strengthening powerhouse that specifically targets your love handles, the area many people struggle to slim down. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet slightly lifted off the ground, and lean back slightly while keeping your spine straight. Clasp your hands together and twist your torso side to side, tapping the floor beside your hips with each twist. This twisting motion engages your obliques, abs, and lower back while also challenging your balance. Perform this move for 30 to 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds, and repeat 3 times. Want to turn up the burn? Hold a small water bottle or any household weight while twisting. Russian twists work because they combine rotational movement with core stabilization, forcing your muscles to work harder with every twist. You're not just burning fat, you're reshaping your waistline. Over time, this move helps carve out that defined athletic look while improving your core strength for better posture and daily movement. Breathe out each time you twist and keep your core tight like someone's about to poke your stomach. This keeps your form sharp and prevents strain on your lower back. Done consistently, this exercise can visibly tighten your midsection and give you that lean, toned look. Exercise 10. Hollow body hold. The hollow body hold is a staple in gymnastics and professional athlete training because it teaches your core to work as one strong, solid unit. Lie flat on your back, arms extended overhead and legs straight. Lift your arms, shoulders, and legs off the ground so only your lower back touches the floor. Your body should form a shallow banana shape. This position may look simple, but holding it is intense. Start by holding for 1 to 20 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, and aim for 3 to 4 rounds. Your abs, lower back, and even your hip flexors will be firing up, creating a rock-solid core foundation. The reason this move is so effective for belly fat loss is because it forces your entire midsection to stay engaged the whole time. No breaks, no shortcuts. It's a static hold, meaning your muscles are constantly under tension, which accelerates calorie burn and core endurance. Want to make it easier? Bend your knees slightly. Want to make it harder? Reach your arms further overhead and keep your legs lower to the ground without touching. Over 14 days, you'll notice your core stability improving, your posture straightening, and your belly appearing flatter. So there you have it, the 10 exercises that completely changed my body in just 14 days without dieting, without starving, and without expensive gym memberships. I started with only 10 minutes a day, and by the end of 2 weeks my belly was flatter, my energy was higher, and for the first time I didn't feel trapped by food rules. Remember, the secret is not to do these exercises perfectly, it's to do them consistently. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day for 14 days straight can make a huge difference. Pair this with drinking enough water, sleeping 7 to 8 hours a night, and avoiding late-night snacking, and you'll see even faster results. And here's that bonus tip I promised: stay active throughout the day. I started walking 5 to 10 minutes after meals, nothing crazy, just around my house or workplace, and it doubled my fat-burning speed. Movement creates momentum, and momentum creates transformation. If you're ready to try this, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time, there isn't one. Your health and your confidence are worth it. And if you want me to create a full 14-day follow-along video for each day, drop a comment below, because your journey starts now. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with a friend who's struggling with belly fat, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, achievable transformations. No crash diets, no gimmicks, just results.